Can you believe it?
Wire and Gas Detection, Inc. was established by the people who developed the UV IR and the IR3 triple IR technology products for you in the past. Now, we introduce to you the most up-to-date, next generation of high-performance flame detectors. This new generation of high-performance products and technologies are available for you to use on new products and to replace old products. The FlameSpec IR3 HD, having substantially improved performance, can provide your people and assets with the best protection available and the one that they deserve. We offer you to use or test, without commitment, the fastest, best performing flame detector with integral video, which is proven by third parties to be better than those used today. FlameSpec can provide you the extra seconds that will make the difference for you.